3, 2, 1.
Where is Mount Rinjani, an active volcano, located? The answer is B, Indonesia. What was the name of the computer software company for which Peter, Michael, and Samir worked in the movie Office Space? The answer is C, Initech. Which river runs through Istanbul? The answer is D, Bosporus. What is the result of subtracting 7/9/9 from 1? The answer is A, 10/9. Which dessert has the highest temperature ever recorded? The answer is C, Mojave. What vegetable is known as the poor man's meat? The answer is D, turnip. Which must be present in order for something to be classified as an organism? The answer is C, cell. What was the Roman goddess Diana equivalent to in Greek mythology? The answer is D, Artemis. Alan Shearer was the first player to score 200 Premiership goals. Who was the second? The answer is B, Andy Cole. Which one of these is an operating system? The answer is D, Vista. How many episodes of Max Headroom aired between 1985 and 1988? The answer is C, 14. How many heart pieces can you get as adult Link in the game The Legend of Zelda: Ocarina of Time? The answer is C, 24. Which of the following cartoons was not created by Hanna-Barbera? The answer is D, Popeye. Which process drives most of the ATP synthesis in a chloroplast? The answer is A, flow of protons across an electrochemical gradient. Which book is the shortest in the Lord of the Rings trilogy? The answer is C, The Return of the King. What part of the digestive system first causes chemical changes to food? The answer is B, saliva in the mouth. Why was Gene Hackman's character, Coach Norman Dale, suspended from coaching NCAA basketball? The answer is B, assaulting one of his players. In The Matrix, who plays the character Neo? The answer is A, Keanu Reeves. Who wrote The Fabric of the Human Body? The answer is C, Andreas Vesalius. What magical object did Harry Potter use to save Ron from poisoning? The answer is B. Bezoar. What chemicals in the liver support glucose homeostasis? The answer is D. Glucagon and insulin. What is the first Sonic the Hedgehog game released? The answer is A. Sonic Adventure. Which famous designer introduced the little black dress? The answer is C. Coco Chanel. In which country was the first episode of Doctor Who aired? The answer is B. UK. What are the basic structural units of living organisms? The answer is A. Cells. Which author wrote Dr. Zhivago? The answer is A. Boris Pasternak. What is the largest country by total area in Europe? The answer is B. Russia. Which animal is known as a rodent of unusual size? The answer is C. Nutria. What major and potentially catastrophic events can be predicted to occur in the Northern Hemisphere between the months of June and November? The answer is B. Hurricanes. Who portrayed Little Ricky, the character who frequently played the drums on I Love Lucy? The answer is B. Richard Keith. Food chewed evenly during mastication moisten and lubricate the lining of the mouth and this. The answer is C. Pharynx. Which law states that an object at rest stays at rest, and an object in motion stays in motion with the same speed and direction unless acted upon by a net force? The answer is A. Newton's first law. What is xenobiology the study of? The answer is D. The synthesis of non-terrestrial life. What common drink was first named the esteemed brain tonic and intellectual beverage? The answer is D. Coca-Cola. What national symbols are subject of study of vexillology? The answer is A. Flags. The names Robert, Robbie, Rob, Robin, Robin, Roberto, Bert refer to what? The answer is B. Bright Fang. Which structure is known as the Gateway of India? The answer is A. Charminar. Which First Lady single-handedly protected her husband from contact with the public after he suffered a stroke? The answer is B. Edith Balling Wilson. The Corsa is a model of car made by which manufacturer? The answer is C. Opal. What is a large, round vegetable with many seeds inside? The answer is B. Pumpkin. Which non-gaseous compound can be made from two elements that are gases at room temperature? The answer is A. Water. In what city did fictional character Paladin live? The answer is B. San Francisco. What kind of reaction is a reaction in which two or more substances combine to form a single new substance? The answer is C. Combination reaction. What type of species can alternate between medusa and polyp forms? The answer is A. Cnidarian. What biblical character said the following? The answer is A. Esther. Who developed the first programmable computer, ENIAC? The answer is B. John von Neumann. Sympathetic stimulation also triggers the release of epinephrine and norepinephrine, which enhance both cardiac output and what else? The answer is B. Vasoconstriction. What was the first of the American colonies to put E pluribus unum on coins? The answer is B. New Jersey. Which vehicle has 4 wheels and a flexible body? The answer is D. Van. Actress Barbara Feldon, Agent 99 from the Get Smart series, had her portrait done by which famous artist?